Now we're going to test maximum suction from the power plant itself. This is the standard configuration for my airflow and suction box tests. This time around, I can only do 3 airflow tests because I can't take the filter out because the filter on the inside, that is the premotor filter, makes a seal with the unit. So we'll do low, medium, and high. Let's start out with low. By the way, here's the other Oraimo product that I tested a number of months ago. I will call low speed at, is it going to hit 19? Oh, okay, rounded. Yeah, it's going to do it. As it warms up, speeds up a little bit. I will call it at 18.6 CFM. Now we're in the medium speed. And I will call it at about, oh, gee, all right. Certainly 23. Will it hit 24? Getting close. Yep, rounded, we've hit 24. Okay, I'll call it at 23.6 CFM. We're around 36 on high. Will it give us any more? I'll call it at 36.2 CFM on its highest airflow and suction speed. I'm going to run the power nozzle suction test at the highest power level and then go to medium and then conclude with low. Let's check out the Brushroll RPM, and since this machine has 3 speeds, it's typical that as the speed is increased of the vacuum, that the Brushroll speed will decrease. Let's see if this Oraimo S2 follows that pattern. Not surprising, as the power level of the vacuum cleaner goes up, the brush roll speed decreases. For some viewers, a fully sealed machine that is filtered exhaust emissions is very important. So this is a fully sealed machine, but let's see what it does for particle emissions. We'll run it on high, and this filter twists off, but the vast majority of its exhaust emissions don't come from the top. They actually go out the bottom. We'll run it on its highest mode. All right, so whatever material that Oraimo actually has in their exhaust filter definitely doesn't approach H11 or H10 standards. However, as I've always maintained, I've had this meter since the end of 2017, this little vertical white bar here stayed clearly in the green. So whatever it's putting out is still completely healthy, although it just doesn't meet H11 or H10 standards.